for this project is any color of yarn, scissors, and a crochet hook, and I'm using 4.25 millimeter. So we'll start by making a chain. Make a slip knot. And we'll chain 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now form a ring by joining into the first chain with slip stitch. Okay, this makes our ring, and now we'll do chain 4. Two, 3, 4. This one counts as the first triple crochet, and now we'll do 6 triple crochets into the ring right here. So let's start. So for triple crochet, you yarn over twice like that, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through. Okay, and now yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the next 2, yarn over, pull it through the last 2. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over twice, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull it through the next 2, and then the last 2. So we'll continue like that and do 3 more triple crochets. So after you're done with 6 triple crochets, we'll chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we'll repeat, because including with the chain here, we have altogether 7 triple crochets. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 7 triple crochets again, and then chain 4, and then 7 triple crochet, chain 4. We'll repeat that for 3 more times until we have a nice square formed. So after you have completed 4 sets of 7 triple crochets, you're gonna chain 4 again, and now we'll join this chain into the first chain that we had. So in the top of the 4th chain, we'll join it with a slip stitch. So you're gonna insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through, and then pull it through the next loop again. Okay, you should have a square like this. That'll be our first round. And now we're gonna chain 1. After chain 1, we'll do single crochets into all these triple crochets. So make sure you have 7. Let me show you how to do that. So we're gonna insert the hook. So this is our first triple crochet. We're gonna insert the hook right on top of this, yarn over, pull it through, and then yarn over and pull it through again. That's our first single crochet, and then into the next one we'll do the same thing. And this will be our 3rd one, 4th, so you can always go back and make sure you have 7 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are done with 7 single crochets. What we're gonna do is now into the chain 4 space, we're gonna do 2 single crochets, then chain 2, and then 2 single crochets again into the same space. That'll form our corner. And then we'll continue the same way again. So 7 single crochets here, and then when you get to the corner here, we'll do 2 single crochets, chain 2, 2 single crochets into the same space, and then continue all the way around for our second round. So once you're done all the way around, you'll finish up with a single crochet into the corner here, and now we're going to join it into the first single crochet that we did here. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to join it with the slip stitch. So insert your hook on the top of the single crochet, pull the yarn through, and then pull it through this loop again. So that completes our 2 rounds. And now we'll start the next round by chain 4. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4. This will count as our first double crochet. And now what we're gonna do is chain 1, and we'll skip the next single crochet right here, and we'll insert the hook into the following single crochet, and we'll do a double crochet in there. So for double crochet, you're gonna yarn over the hook, insert your hook, pull the yarn through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops. And now we'll chain 1 again, and same thing, we'll skip the next single crochet and go into the next one and do another double crochet. Chain 1 again and do the same thing, skip 1 single crochet and go into the following one, do a double crochet. So you're going to repeat the same process until you get to the corner right here. Okay, so after this you should skip 1, and then we'll have our corner right here. Make sure it's this corner and not this bigger one from the last round. This is the one we have. What we're going to do is we're going to do a same thing, chain 1, do a double crochet into the corner, and now we'll chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do another double crochet into the same corner space. Now we'll chain 1 again and repeat the same process on all the sides. Is skip 1 single crochet, double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1, and we're gonna chain 1 over here. Let me show you. So we're gonna skip 1 single crochet, go into the next one, do a double crochet, and then chain 1. While you chain 1, you're going to be skipping 1 single crochet and double crochet into the next one. So all the way through, and when you get to the corner, you're going to be doing a double crochet, chain 4, and a double crochet into the same corner. And we'll go all the way around, and then I'll show you how to finish this round. So once you have completed this round, at the end, make sure you have even sides. So how do you assure that is you should have 6 chain 1 spaces on each side. So this is count as 1 chain space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then your corner of chain 4 starts. So you should have 4 corners like that with chain 4 and 6 chain 1 spaces on each side. If you have more or less of that, that means there's something you have skipped or added more than what you were supposed to. You can go back now and fix that. So at the end of this round, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna join this round by doing a slip stitch into the third chain of the first chain 4 that we did. So 1, 2, 3. So we'll do a slip stitch into the third chain. You're gonna insert your hook, pull the yarn through, and pull through that loop again. So that'll join our round. So after joining this round, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do another slip stitch into the next chain right here. So we'll do the same thing, insert hook, pull through, and pull through again. And now what we'll do is chain 1, and now we're going to do a single crochet into the first chain 1 space, single crochet in here, and then we chain 2 and do the same thing again, single crochet into the next chain 1 space right here. And then we chain 2 again, and then single crochet into the next one, chain 2, single crochet again, chain 2, and this is our last chain 1 space, single crochet again, and chain 2. Now we get to our corner here again. In this corner space right here, we're gonna be doing a single crochet, chain 3, and then another single crochet into the same space. This will form our corner again. And now we do chain 2 again, and then single crochet into the following chain 1 space, chain 2, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, then chain 2 again. And when you get to the corner, you'll do single crochet, chain 3, and then single crochet again into the same space, and we'll continue to follow the same pattern all the way through until we get to the end. Once you're done with your last corner, so you have single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet, and then you're going to chain 2, and you're going to do your last single crochet into the next chain space. And after this, we are not going to do chain 2 again. What we're going to do is, this is our first single crochet of this round, right? So this is where we're going to do a half double crochet now. So to do a half double crochet, what you're going to do is yarn over the hook, insert into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through all 3 loops. That is our half double crochet. And now you're going to chain 1 again to start the next round. Just to make sure you have done this round right, what you should have is 4 corners of chain 3 spaces, and these chain 2 spaces right here, you should have 7 of them on each side. So you can make sure now, before you start the next round, is just count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you should have your corner right here, and then 7 chain 2 spaces on all the sides. Okay, so for the next round, you're gonna chain 1 and then a single crochet into the chain space here, chain 2, and then single crochet in the next chain 2 space here, and chain 2 again, and you're going to continue like that till you reach to the corner. Once you reach to the corner, you're going to single crochet in this chain 3 space, and then chain 3, and then another single crochet into the same corner, and now chain 2, and then single crochet in the next chain space, then chain 2 again, and you're going to repeat that all the way through till you reach the end. Once you're done with this round, you should finish by a single crochet and chain 2, and then we're going to join it into the first single crochet by slip stitch. So insert your hook and then pull it through both loops. Okay, by the end of this round you should have 8 chain 2 spaces on all sides and 4 corners of chain 3 spaces. We'll chain 1 to start the next round, and we're going to do a single crochet into the single crochet right here. After doing single crochet, we're going to go into the next single crochet and we're going to make a shell. So shell includes 5 double crochet into the same chain space. So let's do it together. This is our next single crochet. We'll go in here. This is our first double crochet, second double crochet into the same chain space, third, four, and 5. It should look like that. After you're done with your shell, you're going to go into the next single crochet and do another single crochet into the top of that single crochet. So just one single crochet, and then we'll go into the following single crochet and make a shell again, which is 5 double crochets. So you're going to repeat that shell, one single crochet into the next single crochet, shell, single crochet, shell, till you get to the corner. After completing 3 shells like that, you'll reach to the corner. So you're going to skip this single crochet and go into the corner and do another shell, but this time we are doing 7 double crochets into the corner. And over here we had 5, so over here we're going to have 7 double crochets. So let's do it together. So after completing the 7 double crochets into the corner, we have a single crochet right here, so we're going to skip that and we're going to do a single crochet into the following one. And then we move on to the next single crochet and we do a shell of 5 double crochets. Okay, after doing this shell, we're going to go into the following single crochet and do a single crochet. And in the next one, we do the shell again. And then single crochet and a shell again and single crochet, and then we get to the corner. So we're going to skip this first single crochet and do a shell of 7 double crochets in here, and then skip this single crochet and then do a single crochet in here, and then continue like that all the way around. After you're done with all the sides, you're just going to join into the first single crochet with a slip stitch. Okay, so after completing this round, you should have 3 shells of 5 double crochets on each side and 1 corner of 7 double crochets. So 1 corner and 3 shells of 5 double crochets, corner and 3 sides, and then corner again all the way around. After doing a slip stitch, you can just cut the yarn and fasten it off by just pulling the yarn through. Okay, there we have it. The granny square is ready.